Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a white sheet and draw the tree and the branches of it like this and make some apples on it. Now make another tree near it like this and make the bushes of the tree. Now draw the bushes on the back of the tree like this. Make some grasses on the land. You can make some birds, make some fallen apples on the ground, make a sun on the top and some clouds and birds like this, and make some dry branches of the tree and color it, and it's done. Next, paste the paper leaves like this on the white sheet. Draw the branches of the tree and stems of the tree. Now make the strawberries using the clay like this and paste them one by one. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a white sheet and make the grasses or a field like this. Now make the colorful trees using different color markers like this by drawing the lines. Now make the branches using black color. Put some white lines in the between to give it a shade. Make some flowers or fallen leaves like this. Make some birds on the sky, and it's ready. Next, take a clay and then first take a tissue paper, color it with the pink color and cut it out. Now put a pink color clay and put the tissue papers inside it like this by using a stick. Now draw the branches of the tree and then make the field using the clay like this and spread it with the help of a fork. Now make some honeybees and birds around it like this. Now after that, make some birds and flowers around it, and it's ready. Next, draw the lines like this on a white sheet, and after that we'll be making the beak of the bird. Make it the lines inside its body, make its legs. Now make some feathers on the back of it like this. So here we are making a peacock. Now decorate its feather, color it with the green, blue and different beautiful colors like this. Put some golden and yellow color in the between, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking a white sheet and again we'll be drawing the lines. Now draw the lines inside it like this, and then on the top make a rose and its stem. Now color it with the red color if you want. Now fill the color inside the hand like this. Make some leaves. Use the green color to color it, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a white paper and then make the lines on it like this. Now make the stems on the top as shown in the video, and then we'll be making the clouds on the sky. Now color it with the green color on the downside. Outline the clouds like this. Make some water droplets and the rain. Make some leaves, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be drawing the lines like this and then outline it completely as shown in the video now. So here we are making cartoon character Patrick. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth like this, and then we'll be decorating its pant. Make the patterns and then color it with the pink color and color its pant with the green color, and then make some hearts near it, and it's ready. Next, draw the lines on the white sheet as shown in the video, and then we'll be drawing the lines inside it. So here we are making a corn, and then we'll be drawing the lines like this over it, and then color it with the yellow and green color like this, and put the little orange shade to give it a golden touch like this, and your corn is ready. Next, we'll be drawing the lines on the white sheet like this. So here we'll be making the lines like this. So here we are making a dog. Now make its eyes and ears, make it sharp teeth like this, and then color it like this. Don't forget to make its tongue and the nose. Color it, and your dog is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, draw the lines and then we'll be joining the lines like this to make the legs of the dinosaur. Now make its eyes, make its sharp thorns on the back of it, make the circles, color it with the green color, and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.